Sterling Heights homeowners, I just listed your neighbor's property on 9015 Headley. We're holding an open house Saturday the 24th and Sunday the 25th between 1 and 3. I'd like for you and any of the people you know who are trying to buy in the area, please bring them out to our open house again Saturday the 24th and Sunday the 25th between 1 and 3. Let's go check out the house.
Welcome to 9015 Headley in Sterling Heights, where classic brick ranch charm meets modern, high-end updates. This attractive and beautiful updated 1,100 square foot brick ranch offers 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, all thoughtfully designed for today's lifestyle. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice the hardwood flooring and recessed lighting throughout, paired perfectly with a bold, modern color palette featuring crisp white trim and striking dark doors that elevate the entire home. The main bathroom is a true standout, featuring an updated vanity and subway tile shower with a double shower head, creating a spa-like feel right at home. Each bedroom offers its own unique appeal with eye-catching light fixtures, and the second bedroom steals the show with a decorative shiplap accent wall that adds character and warmth. The heart of the home is the fully updated kitchen, showcasing quartz countertops, a center island for food prep, and high-end smart appliances, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. Downstairs, you'll double your living space with a finished basement that can be used for whatever your heart's desires. Movie room, home gym, office, or guest space, complete with a newly added full bathroom. If you're looking for a move-in ready ranch with style, functionality, and modern updates throughout, 9015 Headley is the one you don't want to miss.
Thank you so much for previewing my property here on Headley in Sterling Heights. Remember, we do have an open house Saturday the 24th and Sunday the 25th between 1 and 3 each day. But if you have any specific questions or want a private viewing, please contact me directly. And as always, we are here to serve you.